Drones are really revolutionizing modern warfare, from silent eyes in the sky to decisive strike capabilities. Currently, drones are pivotal for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, changing battlefield awareness. But their evolution has been rapid, a relentless race for technological supremacy. Nations worldwide are heavily investing, pushing the boundaries of drone technology. This tech race focuses on autonomy, range, payload versatility, and counter-drone measures. Small drones, agile and discreet, are transforming infantry tactics and urban warfare. Providing immediate, localized intelligence, they offer unprecedented situational awareness. Moderate-sized drones, the workhorses, balance endurance with significant strike power. Their ability to loiter and strike precisely has redefined air support and targeted operations. Large drones push into strategic roles, with vast operational ranges and heavy payloads. These giants can act as airborne command centers or carry sophisticated sensor arrays. The future of drone warfare is increasingly autonomous, driven by artificial intelligence. Drone swarms, capable of overwhelming defenses, present a complex new challenge. Future small drones will navigate complex environments, performing tasks too risky for humans. Moderate drones will feature enhanced AI for dynamic decision-making and EW capabilities. Stealth and survivability will be key, making them harder to detect and counter. Large future drones might handle logistics, long-range strikes, or even air-to-air combat. The race extends to hypersonic speeds and novel propulsion systems for rapid global reach. This rapid advancement also brings profound ethical questions about autonomous warfare. The development of counter-drone technology is equally crucial in this evolving landscape. The technological push continues, promising even more sophisticated and integrated drone systems. Future wars will see drones of all sizes, seamlessly integrated, from front lines to strategic depths. The drone era is here, reshaping conflict and global power dynamics for decades to come.